Not just a booby video. Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my channel. Today on my channel we're going to be celebrating my anniversary with my husband. It's our 3-year anniversary this year in 2020, so yay for us. Some couples don't even make it past the first year of being married. But today's video is actually about a special package that he got for me. And I figured I'd share it with you guys because I'm super excited to see what it is. So if you're new to my channel, I usually do cosplay content, but I just wanted to share this little bundle of joy with you guys. We're not sure if it's going to be a new cosplay wig. We don't know if it's going to be fabric, but we do know we're going to open it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to click that red button down below and to subscribe to never miss out on any new future content. And thank you so much for tuning in. So this video is kind of different from my normal videos. I know I've been like doing a little bit of a shopping haul recently, but don't worry, we're still going to keep up with cosplay content. We're just adding a little bit more flavor to the channel. Alright, so as you can see, I hastily wanted to start opening it. So we have one box lid open, two box lid open, and now let's go ahead and open! Oh my god, it's from Jimmy Choo! Oh! As you saw recently, I actually got a brand new purse from Jimmy Choo from my husband for school. I use it everywhere, so it's like my new everyday purse. Okay, it's super put in. So, I don't want to look at the paper that's inside telling me what it is. I want to just open this bad boy up immediately and find out what it is. So how do I open you? So I'm going to go ahead and pull slightly on the nice sticker here. And okay. I just ripped the tissue paper, like, sadly. Oops. I could have just tried to slide it out, I think. And you guys know I always try to save tissue paper for drafting patterns. So look at that, we have the beautiful Jimmy Choo box back in our house yet again. It's so pretty. I love these. Alright, so it seems like a purse size. Leave your comment down below. What do you think this is? A purse? Something else that I can't think of, like perfume? A scarf. Oh my gosh, this could be a totally nice scarf box. Did it get me multiple things? Or something else, like another pair of shoes? I don't know. So let's go ahead and open! Okay, so I'm not going to read this. We're going to leave it to the side. Here's another baggie for it. Okay, so it seems pretty small, judging by this baggie size. Ew. And opening, if you guessed, there's a lot of tissue paper in this thing. Oh my goodness, if you guessed a pair of shoes, you are right. Ah! Ah! I'm so excited. I love Jimmy Choo. Look at these. These are so pretty. Oh my god, look at me, Cinderella every day now. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Oh my god, these are so nice. I can't wait to put these on. I'm gonna take out these little thingies here. Okay, so obviously there's gonna be two shoes of these. I'm gonna put a little snippet here of me shining a light on these. This is so gorgeous. Like, look at these bad boys. Like, they are literally like the slip-on version of like everyday glitter Cinderella. And of course it's called Galaxy. It's called Galaxy. Oh my god. Can you see it? Can you see it? It says Galaxy. Yeah, now you can see it. It says Galaxy, and that's the color that it is. I know the camera's being focused. It's so terrible. So, will the shoe fit? Let's see. Let me get all clean up my foot. Oh, it fits so nice. Ah! I'm sorry. I cannot contain my excitement. Oh my god. So the good thing about this is it's not too silver. Oh, wow, this is like layered glitter. Like, you can't just like throw glitter on it and then say like, this bitch is gonna come up. Like, no, this is just stacked glitter on glitter. Like, wow, did they like... I'm so amazed. Obviously I can't be wearing these when it's raining, but I definitely can wear them now. Shoes! Shoes, 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 shoes! Shoes, shoes! Shoes! Hold on. My husband spoils me too much. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try both of these on. He's ready for a shoe try-on time. So, what kind of girl would I be without a little bit of Disney bounding action? This dress is actually the Cinderella live-action dress from Hot Topic. This is inspired by her classic Cinderella outfit, and there's a lot of little nuances in it, like there's a coach and everything. Okay, that's not what we're talking about here. We are talking about these bad boys. You can just see how wonderful they are. Yeah, they're flats. I'm always wearing flats here in Denmark, but that's not a problem. So you can see how beautiful these bad boys are. I really like how well they look. They're definitely everyday kind of shoes for walking. And they're more mature. Now, I'm not very a mature person wearing a flower crown with beads, a rhinestone choker, and a Hot Topic Cinderella gown, but I do feel so very, very fantastic and ready to go Disney bounding at Disneyland sometime. Whee! Hopefully that happens. I mean, with the pandemic and all. But what do you think? What do you think of the shoes and the whole outfit? Sorry for all the mess. This is my workshop. Isn't it cute though? Like, get out of here. These are so nice. Yee, I'm so excited. Anyways, let's go ahead and sit back down. The husband also got me these really nice flowers. It's such a beautiful rose bouquet. Like this one's like a orange red. This is maroon. This is pink. Obviously green pink here. Purple and a giant big red one right here, signifying love. This one's nice. It's literally like a fire flower from Mario Brothers because it's like red on the outside and the inside yellow. That was a whirlwind of just unboxing a box. Like, I'm so tired. Alrighty. These are like my everyday Cinderella shoes. The fact that they say Galaxy like is so amazing. I love it. These are so nice. I've never really owned a pair of super pointy shoes, so this is a very new big take for me. This is super mature. It kind of seems a little witchy, quote unquote, but I think it just depends on how you want to dress these. Obviously, I just changed my outfit as soon as I realized what these were, and I'm just like, ah! It's so hard. I feel so bad for my husband. I love gaming, I love cosplay, I like designer name. I'm probably one of the hardest women to be with. But I'm so thankful. Like, I'm gonna cry and ruin my makeup. I'm so grateful for my husband, and thank you so much. If you guys have not seen these are my new shoes. I'm gonna be wearing these everywhere. First day of school, yeah, you know it. What's wrong with having a little designer name? It doesn't hurt. I love it. It's so beautiful, so shiny. The layered glitter is so beautiful. And it's not like you think it would, kind of like the other wedding shoes that I have. No, these are like perfect. So I'm super excited. And the mute tone right here kind of just like cuts off a lot of like the bulkiness, so it's not just like constant glitter in your face. So you can be sure and bet that I will be wearing these to the first day of school, going to the grocery store, going to the movies, going to a convention. That's not happening anytime soon. Rest in peace, conventions. We'll see you next year. Unless it's already next year and you guys are watching this video. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to click on that red button down below to subscribe to never miss out on any future content. Also, if you do like these, go ahead and check some of my other videos where I talk about Jimmy Choo or my shopping hauls, because I like shopping a lot and I feel like I should just share that with you guys so you can see a little bit more about my personal style. And maybe this will help you understand why I choose the cosplays I do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. In a future video, I will be showing off my husband again for a different video. I'm really excited to share with you guys. I know the channel isn't focusing too much on cosplay at the moment, only because there's not a lot of conventions, but I am still sewing my butt off. My workshop is a mess, and I just can't wait to show you guys everything that I'm working on. So remember to click on some of these other videos to check out some of the other things that I've gotten in the past. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any future content. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in the future. future video. Bye!